Well, we've had a little bit of rain. Things are growing just nicely. This is my sweet pepper. And the other plants are also putting on sweet peppers. And I'm telling you, it rained like crazy. And the plants are loving it. And here we go. That's our mint bush. Another sweet pepper. The grass is growing like crazy. That needs to be chopped down. My croton, let's take a close-up. Boy, I'm telling you, it's just really growing all kind of crazy branches. I'm telling you. Bok choy. Bok choy, here we call it pap chow. Okra. More pap chow. Just a little view of the farm. Grass, the sun is coming up. Everything is green and pretty. Oops. Oh boy. Tomatoes want planting out. They're just growing tall and pretty. I'm way up on the hill, as you can see. In the mountains, in the forest, or whatever you want to call it. We call it up in the hills. The mosquitoes are crazy. But yeah, what a beautiful piece of country. Job blessings, you know. This is just the nursery I'm showing you. Things are popping up everywhere. If we could just get some consistent rain, that would be nice. My brethren over there waving at me. Dogs barking. And what you hear in the background are what they call June bugs. I guess in America we call them cicadas, but they're only here for the month of June. After June, they're gone again until next June. So sometimes they're deafening to the ears, but that's nature, you know?